Okay, so I finished. The next step now is after we attach the collar and everything is to do all the top stitching. And that's now the last part. So I already top stitched the um, the collar part. So it looks very nice. Yeah, everything is nice and flat. It looks nice and integrated. Here it looks good. I've attached the labels. So everywhere I think the top stitch looks fine. It's just the top stitch I now do on the other side. And then at the bottom here as well, on the waistband, the top stitch there is also now finished. It also looks good, I think. And here you can see it's nice and flat here. We're still going to do a stitch there. It looks good here, the integration here. And on this side as well, I think it looks good. Looks fairly fine. And here also it's nice and flat. And on this side as well, it looks good. So now the next step is to do the final top stitching, which is around the zip area and the top part of the collar. So let's start here. I've already done a few of them. The idea is just to make the inside of the zip lay flat and then to give a nice definition here. So I finished the collar first, and then I finished the waistband first, and then I finished the collar. So there's only a few things left here now, and it's just this last top stitch that I'm doing. We sort of now, I would say 3/4, 8/10, because I still have, I think, four left for top stitching. And so I had to change on the previous jacket that I did. I had to change the needle. So I suspect that and these are now more or less for the 40 jackets that we're going to do. I think I'm going to need at least probably, because I'm using a industrial needle, but it's a size 90. So I think I'm going to need at least 3 needles because these are, I think there's 10 here, and we used, let's say, 1 needle per 10. So I suspect I will probably use about 4 needles. And you can hear when you need to change the needle, because on this particular one, it made a clapping sound. So so we're moving past the top part of the collar now. And now I just want to, let's just do a back stitch here as well. So we're going down the other side now of the zip. I'm pulling it open a little bit like this so that the zip doesn't get stuck. That's why I don't sew right onto the edge of the zip with that zip footer of mine. So there must still be some. But I think overall these jackets turned out nice. I will make a last video on it, but this is sort of now the final video of the sewing part. So there's a nice open edge there on the side, so you won't have troubles with the zips. On the other 10 jackets, other 40 jackets that I'm going to make, I'm going to use YKK zips. These are just normal, I don't know what make they are. They're not bad zips, but because those are going to that NGO, I'm just or that private facility, I'm not going to, I just want to use the best quality. The YKK zips are more expensive, but you generally don't have trouble with them. Okay, so now we finished with this jacket. Everything has been done here now. So we finished all the top stitching. So there's basically just three parts of top stitching. It is the collar that we do, the waistband, and then it is the side of the zips and the top of the the collar. So here you can see, very nicely done. The stitching looks good, it's nice and straight. Everything looks good. Let's check the inside. So the inside also looks fine. I think what I'll do for the next ones, I'll just cut some of the bulk that is lying there off. But I think it looks good, so that we just have a flat stitch. But I think it is fine for now. These jackets, these 10 jackets, I'll probably either add with the previous bunch or with the next bunch, or I'll just give them away or sell them, because the other 40 that we are making is for that charity, and that is going to be for free. So yeah, so the jackets I think generally turned out lovely. We'll do a final review of the jackets when we finished. Okay, so this was the last part of the top stitching. So let me finish the last, I think there's 3 or 4 left. There's 4 more jackets left. So let me finish those quickly.